All right, so today, in this episode, Nova is here. They're gonna put a water filtration system in my home. I'm going to show you hardness, which really doesn't apply to the filter, but the chlorine in the water, because I know a lot of people will ask me about getting a filter in their home, and today I have the answers for you. Let's go and get this install on the road. All right, so now I introed this video where I had Nova come and install a water filtration system in my home. But I want to just preface this because I really want you to watch this and understand. I have seen a difference in the short period of time that I've had it installed, not so much with the water tasting, because I usually drink water out of my refrigerator, which has a filter on it. But I definitely see it when I'm washing my hair. I can feel the soap, the shampoo is sudzier, and there's definitely a different feel to my hair. It comes out shinier as I'm blowing it dry. It's a little softer, so I need to use a little bit more product because I don't have thick hair. My hair is on the thinner side, and so, you know, I need to get some thickness. You see, this is thickness. I do need to use product just to give it some fullness. But anyway, definitely take a look. This gentleman who did the install was here for an hour. And I just got the water filtration. I did not purchase the softener. Now, the softener gives the water like a slippery kind of feel, which I am not interested in, and I certainly don't want any of those big tanks in my home, because when you look in videos that I'll do now, you'll see, and now I really know a little bit more of the difference. The big tanks are softeners, and the smaller tanks are the filtration. It'll get the chlorine out, any particles and all the crap that's in the water. And he tested the water, which you'll see, but not for particles, just he had a test kit for chlorine and hardness. And obviously we have hard water, and he told me what to do because I have calcification on my shower head and on the faucets, you know, like underneath the faucet. So definitely want to give a long, hard look if you don't have a water filtration system in your home. Now, I had something similar to this in my coffee house. We had a water filtration for the espresso machine. But yeah, take a look and give Nova a call. Now, I'm not sponsored. They did not compensate me in any way. I am just promoting the product because I think they did a really good job, but it was at an affordable price, because I had one national carrier come in here and they were out to lunch with their prices. Because this unit is $695, and to purchase just a unit at Lowe's is $450. And I certainly am not tapping into the water line to put that up. So I definitely think it was worth it. So let's take a look. And I thought this was cool today. I put up my YouTube channel there. So if you have not liked and subscribed, please do so, because I am a realtor here in Florida, if you don't already know that. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home in the Villages, give me a call. I'm your girl. All right, so let's go take a look at this installation of Nova water filter in my home.
A chlorine test strip to test the level of chlorine in the water. Essentially, we just run it through the water for a little bit. If it is, stays here, no chlorine. If it goes dark purple, that's more chlorine.
All right.
Depending on the neighborhood, some areas are worse than others, so
okay,
we'll see where you're
let's give it a little test, or a big test.
We'll let that sit for a minute. And while that's doing its thing, we can do the hardness.
Okay, so now we're going to see how hard my water is. I can tell by there's calcification on my shower head, and the faucet, maybe not necessarily, well, this one, you can kind of feel it here.
So this is to test the general hardness of the water. Essentially, we'll just add a couple drops and determining how hard the water is based on that. So we'll start out with, we'll do 3 drops. What we're looking for is when it turns, like a white background here. When it turns green, that's what we're wine to look for. So it's got
Okay.
a little bit of a yellowish tint to it there. So we'll do another 3 drops.
And why did you add more of that to it?
Basically, when it turns green,
Yeah.
that's what will determine how many minerals are in your water.
Oh, okay.
So the more drops it takes for that water to turn,
Mm-hmm.
the harder it is. Still got a bit of a yellowish color.
So now when it comes to like cleaning shower heads and stuff from the calcification, do you recommend anything in particular, or will a water softener help stop that?
Water softener will eliminate the calcium and the lime that's in the water, so that you don't get the spotting on your shower head.
Yeah.
What I found that works good in my house is I use white vinegar, and I let it sit, the shower head sit in that for a little bit, and
Okay.
it dissolves it, and then it wipes right off.
Okay.
So we got a little bit of a greenish, a little bit more green to it now. This is with 12 drops. That's at the top of our scale, so this is the conversion chart here. But if you use 12 drops, then you're over 200 parts per million in the water, which a little on the harder side. With the water softener, you know, obviously that's helping take out the hardness and taking out the minerals like calcium and lime and things, so that gives you softer feeling water, and then you also don't get the white calcium buildup on everything.
Okay.
Not everybody needs a water softener. You know, depending on where you're at, your water may not be as bad as others, and a lot of it just really breaks down to preference, whether you like it or not. But if you're having issues with calcium buildup, then it's definitely worth looking into.
Okay.
So,
All right.
not seeing a whole lot of change on this, so chlorine levels aren't too bad here, so you're one of the lucky ones.
Oh, I'm lucky. So it's all done. That only took you a half an hour. That was quick.
So as far as this goes, it's all pretty straightforward stuff. Water's off right now, just letting the glue set. But I'll cover the important stuff with you. So there on the left, that's your new shut-off valve for the house. So whenever you go on vacation, it should be sideways. When the water's on, it'll be up and down like so. Right now the meter's off, so it's not doing anything. But water on, water off.
Okay.
From there up through the 3 filters, then back into the house. These 2 gauges on top, they're there to tell you what your water pressure is. You don't really have to pay too close attention to them, but they should always be roughly about the same. If you come out here in 165, the other one should be matching.
Okay.
If you ever see anything though more than 10 psi difference, so if like one's 60 and the other one's dropped down to 20, let us know. Give us a call. We'll come out, take a look, see what's going on with it. You could be getting clogged up somewhere. I
Okay.
doubt you'll see that happen, but that's usually what that means. Red buttons on top. Those are there for pressure relief. If you push those down, it's going to let water out from the base of the button. You don't ever have to use those. They are just there in case you need them.
Okay.
Now, anytime we do a filter change, we're just going to use the hose or a sink to relieve the pressure. It's just easier than standing here for 5 minutes holding that down and dripping water everywhere. But that's what they do.
Okay.
The filters inside here, these are good for 26,000 gallons. Now, if you live here full time, that'll probably take you roughly about a year to go through that.
Okay.
So I've got December written up top. The filter change number is right below that. So when you're ready to have them done, just give us a call and we'll send somebody out.
Okay.
And that's really about it. So the only thing you're going to have to do is just run some water inside for a few minutes just to get the air out of the lines and to rinse out any sediment or anything that might be stuck on those filters. So cold water through your bathroom, kitchen sinks for about 10-15 minutes or so just to rinse these out.
Okay.
So any questions about anything?
Nope. Got it.
Good deal.
All right, so now I know my water is going to taste better that I have this filter, and I don't have to worry about all kinds of little particles getting, inside my glass. All right, so we'll check this out a little later on. This system was $695, and it's $139 annually for them to come and change out the filters inside of the tubes. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. If you're looking for a water filter, this is not sponsored by Nova, nor do I receive any money from them. I just had the system put in the house, and I wanted to show you because it does come up a lot in my home sale business, in my real estate business. Give me a call if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Villages. It is December, and actually look at it, can you see this? I got Uggs on. It was a little cold this morning. Oh my God, now I am a true Florida resident. I was all bundled up today and it was 70. All right, everyone, if you enjoyed this episode, I think you should stay tuned to the next one. You might like it. Next time, I'll see ya.